Welcome! In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to create a professional booklet from start to finish in just 11 simple steps. Let's get started by searching for a booklet template. Head up to the search bar at the top and type in Booklet Template. You'll see a variety of templates to choose from. Go ahead and pick one that catches your eye, or if you have a design already started, you can open that instead. Great! Now that you've got your template open, this is where the fun begins. You can customize every aspect to match your content and personal style. Editing is simple. Just click on any element you see. Whether it's text, images, colors, or fonts, everything is fully adjustable to suit your needs. Want to make it uniquely yours? You can add graphics and visual elements that align with your brand or aesthetic preferences. To insert your own content, simply click on any text box or image in the template and swap it out with your materials. Your booklet might need more or fewer pages depending on your project. Use the Add Page and Delete Page icons to adjust the length as you go. Since booklets are multi-page documents, you'll use the sidebar on the left to move between pages and work on different sections. Now it's time to fill in each page with your content. Add text, images, and any other elements to bring your booklet to life. Before wrapping up, review each page carefully to make sure everything is positioned correctly and looks exactly how you envisioned. When you're happy with the results, click the Share button to save your booklet and make it ready for distribution. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to create a polished booklet from scratch. Feel free to go through this again anytime you need a refresher.